Hey guys, I'm here to tell you what you need to do for your virtual days Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, September 16th, 17th, and 18th. Okay, well, you're going to go to your Google Classroom. I'm in Goldsberry A right now, and you need to go to September 14th through the 18th. This is your Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Please remember that you do have Tuesday homework. This is your science interactive notebook. You need to you need to use both of these both of these Quizlets to complete your notes. And then you will glue those into your interactive notebook and bring back on Monday. Now, on Wednesday, I tried to put little things here for you where it says Pear Duck and Brain Pop. So that's what you are going to be working on. For science, you're going to click on link 1, which is this. It's the only link. And that will be your Ed puzzle. Your Pear Duck. There will be an Ed puzzle through your Pear Duck that you will need to complete. Also, for social studies, you have a Brain Pop, map skills. Log in through ClassLink. This is what I showed you. This is where you have the 3 things. Watch the movie first, do the vocabulary, and then you can do the quiz. The quiz will be graded. That will go in the grade book. Your vocabulary will be a completion grade. So you need to make sure you do all 8 of the flashcards. That is Wednesday. Remember, you go here. I'll show you how to get to Brain Pop. You log in, go to your used by everyone, Brain Pop. Now remember, yours is going to look a little different than mine. Up here, make sure it has your name. And then over here, you'll have notifications. Click on the notifications. And then your notifications will have your assignments. And so here happens to be Burns A. It's the same A. The assignment's the same for all the kids. So here you go. Watch, do, take. Do them in that order so you don't mess up. Also, let's get out of here. Ed puzzle. Please remember when you do your Ed puzzles to log in through ClassLink. You just click skip. And then mine looks a little different because it's the teacher side. You click on your class. So here's Goldsberry A. Here are your due assignments. Now listen, these are not available until Wednesday. So those say upcoming, but tomorrow or Tuesday or Wednesday, the triple beam balance and the graduated cylinder and the types of maps will be up here. And you just click on them and do them. Remember to do your favorite push your favorite button, which is rewatch if you don't know something. So that is the Ed puzzles. Those are the 3 that you will be doing this week. All right, let's go back to our Google Classroom. Waiting for it to load. I'll go into Ramsdale this time. All right, so that was Wednesday. That's the Pear Duck here and the Brain Pop. All right, Thursday, we get a little bit more, but I think you guys are going to enjoy this. Okay, you have an Ed puzzle first. You need to watch the Ed puzzle about reading a graduated cylinder. Again, going through ClassLink, clicking on that Ed puzzle, skipping, and then you're going to click on your class. Your class will be over to the side. And here is reading a graduated cylinder. All right, so you'll click on that to do that one. Then you're going to go to the gizmo. Gizmo, where do you find it? Google or ClassLink as well. Gizmo, though, you need to go into your science social studies, click on gizmos, wait for it to load. Yours should already be there, but because I'm the teacher, I see more things. Here's your triple beam balance, and measuring volume is your graduated cylinder. What you're going to do is you will click on measuring volume, you will launch the gizmo, and then you get to play. I need you to explore, just like we did with planting or growing plants. Okay, you can move certain things. You can put things away. You can turn on water. Okay, let's see. You can turn it up full blast. You can turn it down. Figure out what you can do with it. All right, so mess around with that. That's just free exploration. Then what you want to do is once you feel comfortable, click on practice, and it will tell you some fun things to do here. So free exploration to begin with. And then when you feel comfortable, test it out. This is not for a grade. You will have something else for a grade, but I encourage you to do this. All righty. You know what? Let me go ahead and show you guys this. All right. So when it says fill 25 milliliters, the 25 milliliter cylinder, that's what this is. Notice it says 25 milliliters. So what you want to do is you want to do your beaker first, fill up your beaker. All right. We're going to move it to the side, and then you move your graduated cylinder, and then you bring this guy and you're going to pour it to 21.7. So now look, here you go. Oop. Wow, that isn't bad. But take a look. Remember that meniscus. This is 20. This is 21, 22, 23, 24. And I need a little bit more because if this is in the middle, that is right at the 25. So I need it to be 21.7. You will use your little dropper here. So you bring your dropper over, put it in the beaker. I guess I can't be using this too at the same time. You'll learn that stuff. There we go. And then I'm going to put this in the graduated cylinder, bring this on top, and watch what happens. Carefully. I think I'm going to try that. Then once you do that, you're going to click submit, and let's see what happens. Oh, incorrect. So let's see here. So do I need to, oh, no wonder, because I'm not really at 21, because here's 21. I was at 20 and a half. OMG. There's 21. Remember 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So that's 21.5. I need it 21.7. Couple more. All right, now let's try it. Yay! I get it correct. All right, and then now you just click for a new one. This is all just practice, guys. So remember, pour in your beaker first. Doesn't matter what it's measured at. Move it to the side. Bring this in. It says 50 milliliters. That comes up to here. But we need to do 27.5, so 27 and a half. Always check first. All right. No, it's not going to let me check it. I got to pour some water in. I'm going to get it to about 20. Oop. There we go. Now we can check it. And remember, this is 20, this is 30, so we're counting by ones. So this is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, 26, 27. 27 and a half is going to be right in the middle of there. So I'm going to fill up my dropper. And I'm going to bring it here. And now I'm going to just, again, I'm trying to get to that 27. You use your pipette when you're doing just a few things. So that's at 27 because that's 25, 26, 27. Got to get to 27 and a half. So I need to get it right between there. Oh, I'm out of water. Come back to your beaker. Click it. Maybe put it all the way down in there. Why are you being so difficult? Why are you being so difficult? All right, I'll move you. Let's see what happens. Sometimes they're very, very particular. Let me have some water. Guys, it won't let me have water. Oh. Do not tell me that I need to move some things around. See, this is why you need to explore first. Oh! I do not know why that's not working. Guess what? I'm going to click reset and start over. So you can do that and you keep on practicing. Don't feel comfortable practice yet? Go back to your exploration. That is the gizmo for graduated cylinders. Let's see here. And then these are things, try to fill and empty the graduated cylinder. I want you to practice doing that. I want to see, can you transfer liquid from the beaker to the graduated cylinder? And what other tools can you use? So use that pipette and use that magnifying glass to get those precise measurements. Now you also have a Wiser worksheet, which is a graduated cylinder one. Do I not have it added on there yet? Oh, darn. I don't have that added on there. That'll be on there. It'll be a link, guys. So you just need to click on the Wiser link to do that graduated cylinder practice. All right. Then Ed Puzzle, same thing. Go up to class link. Click on Ed Puzzle. There's your types of maps. Alrighty, let's see what else we got going on here. That is Thursday. We're going to go back. Let's go to Friday. Go back to classwork. Click on that. And now Friday, again, you have a Wiser. Sorry, the links got kind of mixed up. Link 2 right here. This is link 2. This is your Wiser practice sheet. If it's not, then do the other one. Then you're going to watch the Ed Puzzle again. Class link, Ed Puzzle, reading a triple beam balance today. Oops. And then you're going to do the gizmo exploration with the triple beam balance, same thing, and a Wiser worksheet. Let me show you the triple beam balance one. You go back to your class. You click on triple beam balance. You click launch. And I like to make this full screen so I can see it. And then what you're going to do is you want to make sure that you try to measure these things. So you can click the cone and put it. And after watching, you're going to know that you need this little white thing to line up with this one. You always start with the heavier stuff first. So you have to manipulate down here. 100. Ooh. 200. Ooh. 3, 4, 5. What? That worked. 500 grams? Now we go with this one. Oh, there it goes. Remember, it starts to get down. If it's all the way down here, it's too heavy. You got to back it up. Back it up 10 at a time. 10 at a time. Ooh, it's right at 40. 30. All right. And then you got to move this little guy. Woo. Remember, if it goes below, you're too heavy. You got to move it back to where it lines up. Oh, looky there. Perfectly. All right. Now what you have to do is you can look and read this. So this is 542 grams. All right. That's what that is. And then you can move this back. I don't know if there's a reset. This is why you guys are going to play around. And then you're going to measure the other objects. Now, fun thing is, can you put 2 things on there? You probably can. So your goal is to get them to get this pointing to the other line. That's how you know that it's balanced. So you're just playing around with that. When you're done with that, you will have a Wiser worksheet, which is the link 3. I'm pretty sure it goes 1, 2, 3. So this should be link 2 for your scientific process. This should be link 3. And then this is your interactive map slideshow. So you're going to click on it and you're going to get your own copy. How do you know it's your own copy? It'll say your name right here. We're going to wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. All right. And what you want to do, you'll see that if you want to click present, but you can't edit and present. So if you click present, you're going to go through, you're going to want to read about a physical map, a political map, and a special purpose map. Then you are going to use, again, you can't edit when you're presenting. You will click in here to type your answers. Yes, you will have to go back to here and look. And I don't think you can copy paste. Sorry guys, that would have been too easy. So what you have to do is you have to read it and then type it in. When you're done, you will click turn in. And that is your assignments for the week. If you have any questions, come back to this video. If this video doesn't answer any of your questions, then you can feel free to email me. All right. Have a great virtual day and have an even better weekend. See you on Monday.